Do-it-yourself theorizing apps is meant to be a tool that students can use once they have achieved a certain knowledge of existing theories and maybe have gained some experience in developing or building their own theory. Subsequently, the existing theory or the newly developed theory has to be used for something. It's not just for fun that you do it, for intellectual entertainment. It's for something, it's instrumental. So it has to be used for something, and that is a guideline or a device for analyzing empirical phenomena. And that's where the apps come into play, because the apps, well, it's shorthand for applications. And you have to apply theories in order to make them work. The apps is examples of how prominent scholars have applied theories in a given field of a given theory in a given field. So kind of model examples or good, well done examples that students might learn from. If you have, say, a balance of theory, balance of power theory, and you want to apply that on the current power political situation in Europe, then there would be some prominent scholars who have tried out to do this, and how they do it you can learn from. So it's a shortcut into, or it's a direction to some examples that students might find helpful for their own attempts at analyzing the same issue.